Today, we're diving into a fundamental yet powerful tool in Photoshop, the crop tools. Okay, so whether you are a beginner or a seasoned designer, understanding the ins and outs of crop tools can significantly enhance your editing games. So, to get started, let's explore the basics. The crop tools can be found in the right here in toolbars. You can find there is the crop tools in there. So then simply click and drag in your images to define the desired crop area. So when I click over, now you can see it comes with the crop option. So we will dive into it, and with the images, let go to the image, and I want to crop this image, and I want to also crop this area we using the crop tools. Okay, so first need to be selected this one, and before that you need to use the duplicate one, and here we have only the background, and I will make it the duplicate. And you can do this by the Ctrl+J, but duplicates, or you can also click over, right click and use the duplicate layers, and it will give you the duplicate one. Okay, so let's start with the Ctrl+J, and here we have the duplicate one, and with the duplicate scoping, and I will use the cropping tools. So let's start with the crop tools. Okay, click over here, and here's the crop, and you can now see it can be easily cropped in there. And here we have it's cropped and it sticks out, and it means that this area will be deleted when I click over into the here. Okay, so and also now we have the basics. Let's take it apart. Not so also you can use the crop tools for more than just resizing images. So I'll show you how to non-destructive cropping images technique ensures that you can always adjust your crop even after saving your work. Okay, plus we will use here, then I'll show you the workflow, and let me use here I'll use the crop tools again, and if you use also the ratio, if you want to use like here, you can say like 16, 19 or 16 and 9. Here we have the 69, and you can change the ratios like the font images by 4 by 5 and there, and also you can choose here like the 8.5 by 11. So here we have now this area, and you can get here this one, and you can also use the content error if you want to use the same colors into here, even you have the larger ratios in there. Like if I say this will be the this one, and it's come up like this, and you can change here the different, like if you want to use more than, like you can just say 5 by 7, and here we have now this one. Okay, so by selecting you can write here, you can also customize this one, and it can give you as the cropping images. Okay, so then hit on the OK, and here you got it. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to use the cropping tools in the Adobe Photoshop. So thank you for turning in, and if you have any questions or suggestions for the future tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.